Welcome to Dreamland Villa, a vibrant 55-plus community in Mesa, Arizona, known for its active lifestyle and friendly atmosphere. This move-in ready home is perfectly situated on an interior north-south lot, offering comfort, convenience, and plenty of upgrades. Step inside to fresh interior accent paint, tile, and luxury vinyl flooring throughout. Dreamland Villa offers an array of activities, including pickleball, shuffleboard, multiple pools and spas, and miles of scenic desert walking trails. The kitchen offers plenty of storage with abundant cabinetry, tile countertops, a built-in oven, and a glass cooktop. Everything you need for everyday living. The generously sized bedrooms provide a comfortable retreat, and the bonus room offers extra flexibility for a home office, hobby space, or guest area. Upgraded shutters add style and energy efficiency, while the spacious layout includes 2 bedrooms plus a versatile bonus room. Step outside to an extended covered patio overlooking a spacious backyard with mature citrus trees, a storage shed, and plenty of room to enjoy Arizona's beautiful weather. The 2-car garage includes a separate storage room, while recent updates like newer dual-pane windows, a brand new roof in 2023, and an AC system from 2016 add peace of mind. Don't miss your chance to experience the best of 55-plus living in this fantastic Mesa community.